Finding your customer number in Natwest is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can find your customer number in Natwest. So for that, we are at our browser and we are going to type in Natwest and we will go to their website. And in their home website, you just have to look for the search bar, which is in the top right corner, and type in customer number. After typing in, you just have to click on this search icon and you just have to click on this search icon again. Now here you guys can see forgotten your online banking login. You just have to click on this link. And now here you guys can see if you have forgotten your customer number, you want to remember, what they are suggesting is you don't have to remember it. You can simply re-register for online banking. So you don't have to recover your old number. You can simply create a new account by re-registering for the online banking in Natwest. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can solve your problem. Hope you guys find this very helpful.